Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel inkitdesigns. Let's create this cool website from the accordion folds that we have created in the last video. If you have missed that video, I would recommend you to stop this one and watch that video first. I have attached a link to that video on top right corner of this screen. Do pause this one and watch that first. First, let us create different types of accordion folds from the single wireframe that we have created in the last video. Duplicate the accordion fold, rename into type 2. Now create an ellipse and place the ellipse in the center and center align it. Now for type 3, duplicate the accordion fold once again, rename it into type 3, delete the ellipse, select the content and the divider, copy and paste. Now I will fast forward to create the website wireframe. We are nearly there, just a couple of more minutes. Now before I place my accordion fold inside the website, I'll rename it according to the content I want. Now let's work on the mockup. Add the accordion fold from the assets. Here I am turning the rounded corners to 0. So we are almost done. Are you ready? Let's try it out. Great, this went smooth. And oops. Select all the accordion fold and click Shift A and see the magic. And there you go, perfect. That's it from my today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.